Hi there, my name is Joshua Brown from the interview training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to pass a legal assistant interview. So if you have a job interview coming up for any law firm whatsoever, for any legal assistant role, please make sure you watch this video from start to finish because I'm going to help you to succeed. To achieve that goal, here is what I will cover. I will give you a list of legal assistant interview questions I strongly recommend you prepare for. I will give you example high-scoring answers to those questions to help you to succeed. I will also give you some essential tips for passing your legal assistant interview before finally telling you where you can download further resources including all of the answers to help you to prepare. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I want to help you to pass your interview and I can only do that if you're subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Okay, let's get started with the first legal assistant interview question I recommend you prepare for, and that is, tell me about yourself. This is the first legal assistant interview question, and it's your opportunity to talk about the skills and qualities that you have, your passion for working in the legal sector, and how you're going to add value to the organisation in the role. Okay, let's take a look at a great answer that's going to help you with this question. So, tell me about yourself. Here we go. Thank you for inviting me to be interviewed for this legal assistant position today. Before applying, I studied the job description in detail to ensure I had the necessary skills, abilities and competencies to perform to a high standard in the role. Over the years, I've built up extensive experience that I believe will be invaluable within this position. I possess exceptional attention to detail skills, I'm passionate about research, and I will always work at a fast pace. In previous roles, I've worked both on my own and as part of a team, and I fully understand how important it is to put the needs of the client and the organisation above everything else whilst working as a legal assistant. I'm the type of person who will always uphold the principles of your organisation, and I can be trusted to act as a positive role model whilst adhering to all rules, laws and confidentiality practices. If you hire me as your legal assistant, I will work tirelessly each day to ensure my duties are carried out on time and to the expected standard. So that's a great answer to that first interview question, tell me about yourself. Let's move on to the next one, which is why do you want to be a legal assistant? So when answering this interview question, be sure to demonstrate a passion for working in law, what you enjoy about the role. Don't forget you must match those job descriptions requirements and explain how you have excellent organisational skills and that you will always strive to achieve the legal firm's objectives. So what I mean about match those job description requirements is get a copy of that job description, read through it and look at the requirements, look at what they are after and make sure you match those within your answers. So let's take a look at a great response to why do you want to be a legal assistant? Okay, here we go. I want to be a legal assistant primarily because I'm passionate about the law and I find the legal process intriguing. As a legal assistant, there's always something new to learn, and I enjoy the type of work where I must be organised and where I must support others in the execution of their duties. Being a methodical and concise worker, I'm at my best when I have specific duties and responsibilities to keep on top of and where I need to work at pace to support the functions of an organisation. So that's a really strong answer to that question, why do you want to be a legal assistant? Now don't go anywhere as I still have more interview questions and answers to give you, but when you're ready, click that link in the top right hand corner. It will take you to my website howtobecome.com where you can download my 21 legal assistant interview questions and answers to give you an edge during your interview, including the ones we're covering right now. Okay, here's the next question for you. Why do you want to work at our company as a legal assistant? This is a really good question, a really common one that comes up all the time. So in your answer to this difficult legal assistant interview question, show that you have carried out some research on the company, whether this be in the form of their website, social channels, or LinkedIn. A great way to do this is to mention the values or mission statement the company has on their website and match it to your own values. Okay, so let's take a look at an excellent answer to this question. Why do you want to work for our company as a legal assistant? Here we go. I genuinely believe that to be a competent and effective legal assistant, you must work for a company that has a positive workplace culture, that will support you in your role, and that is always open to improving and developing. Having researched your organisation before submitting my resume, I was particularly attracted to your core values, the fact that you are a leader within your area of specialism, and because you're transparent with your clients, and that you keep them informed every step of the way throughout the legal process. Okay, that's a great answer to that question. Let's move on to the next question, which is, what are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a legal assistant? So a really good tip for this, give an answer that shows you're a positive team worker, you're a strong communicator, you have excellent timekeeping skills, so you can deliver projects always on time, and you're excellent at your organization as well when under pressure. And make sure, really importantly, that you have an area of legal specialism that you have in-depth knowledge in also. So let's take a look at a great answer to help you. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a legal assistant? To be a legal assistant, you must have exceptional team working qualities. This involves putting the needs of the team first, making sure you complete your tasks on time, and offering to support other team members when they need your help. You must be a good researcher and be thorough in all of your duties, paying particular attention to accuracy in terms of your written work and communications with team members, stakeholders, and clients. You need strong administration capabilities to be able to act in accordance with the law and operating principles for your employer. And remember to maintain confidentiality at all times. Other important skills and abilities include having an in-depth knowledge of your area of specialism, being able to plan and organise your work without the need for constant supervision, and knowing when the time is right to ask for advice or guidance from others. Finally, you must be competent in the use of computer systems and software packages, be able to arrange and organise meetings, and be prepared to cope whilst under pressure in difficult and sometimes stressful situations. So that's a really strong answer to the question, what are the most important skills and qualities needed to be a legal assistant? Let's take a look at the next interview question, which is, why should we hire you as a legal assistant? Again, a really common interview question. All law firms will have a set of values that all staff must adhere to. There are also specific responsibilities needed to be performed at a consistent and a high standard by legal assistants. In your answer, show that you have an awareness of these important values and responsibilities, and give practical examples of what you will do to align with them and to adhere with them in your own role. Okay, let's take a look at a great example answer. Why should we hire you as a legal assistant? Here's the answer. Being naturally someone who has a great attention to detail skills, an inquisitive mind, and a total dedication to my work, I believe the role of a legal assistant is one I would excel in. You should hire me because I fully understand the levels of responsibility that come with the role, and you can rely on me to act as a positive role model for your company. I'm someone who learns things quickly, can take on multiple tasks and projects, and can work effectively both as part of a team or on my own. I'm at the stage in my life where I'm looking to dedicate my career to one law firm, and I feel strongly that if you employ me as your legal assistant, I'll be able to quickly and consistently contribute to your organisation through hard work and a commitment to your values and ethics. That's a really strong answer to that question. Why should we hire you as a legal assistant? Now, the key to that answer was two things. I matched the requirements and the qualities and skills needed to fulfill the role as a legal assistant, but I also, and really importantly, stated that I'm looking for long-term employment with their company. That's really important because no employer wants to hire someone that they're going to spend time and money investing in and training up for them just to leave after a couple of months. So make sure when you answer the question, why should we hire you as our legal assistant, you state that you're looking for long-term employment with this same employer. That will really help you score highly within this answer and help you stand out from other candidates. So the next thing I want you to do is make sure you click that button in the top right hand corner of this video right now. Head through to my website howtobecome.com where you can download these slides and get access to 21 legal assistant interview questions and high scoring answers to each question in a PDF guide. You can literally have access and the slides within your inbox within 2 minutes from now, and it's guaranteed to help prepare you effectively for your interview and also, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you're subscribed. Please make sure you also hit that like button as that encourages me to make more videos like these. If you have any questions regarding the legal assistant interview, please feel free to put these in the comment section below where I will take a look and I will get back to you. And finally, if you would like to connect with me on LinkedIn, I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your interview. Have a great day.